What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making our first login, and we're going to be implementing those if then else statements that we learned in the last tutorial. Alright, so you're going to need a button, two labels, two text boxes. Alright, so change the name of the button to login. You can change the form name to login as well. Alright, you can change one of the labels to username. Change one of the labels to password. And now we're going to double click the button. Actually, hold on, before we do that, we're going to make another form, which is called form 2. And all it's going to say is you have logged in. Alright. And now double click on the button for the code. Alright, just ignore this part. That doesn't mean anything. So for the code for the button, we're going to type in if textbox1.text, which I'll show you that in a second, equals, and then what you want the username to be. We'll make the username YouTube. And textbox2.text equals YouTube again. Then form2.show me.hide textbox1.text equals and nothing. Textbox2.text equals nothing. And on form 2, we'll add a button called back. And all this is going to do is show form 1 and close this form. Alright, so let me explain the code a little bit. So the code, textbox1.text equals YouTube and textbox2.text equals YouTube. Actually, make this YouTube 1. Then form2.show me.hide textbox1.text is going to be nothing. Textbox2.text is nothing. So this is textbox1 username. This is textbox2 password. If textbox1.text equals YouTube, the username, and textbox2 the password equals YouTube1, then we're going to show form2, hide this form, and make these two text boxes say nothing. And also, so this looks like a password box, kind of, we can go down to password character, just put a star in there. You can press Shift 8, or if you have a numpad, it should be right over there on your numpad. Alright, so now let's run it. So for our username, it is case sensitive, the username and password, so remember that. YouTube1 login. You have logged in. Back. YouTube, a whole bunch of stuff. YouTube, whole bunch of stuff. Oh, I forgot one thing. You can also add else message box dot show invalid username or password, comma, error. Alright, so this is saying else, so if textbox1.text does not equal YouTube or textbox2.text does not equal YouTube1, then it's going to show a message box saying invalid username and password. So run, you already saw the login, bunch of random stuff, login, invalid username or password, and just to clean this up a little bit, me.hide, me.show. Alright, so click login, invalid username and password, okay, username, YouTube, password, YouTube1, login, you've logged in, okay, that's great, back, and that is your first login. Thanks for watching.